Hi everyone. How to study the audit paper, which is in CMA Intermediate Second Group, that is paper 12. The part B is audit. The subject is called Company Accounts and Audit. Number of students messaged me, sir, this is in second group, the toughest subject is, one of the toughest subject is Company Accounts and Audit. It's for 100 marks. The company accounts portion is a wide area, but the audit portion is very less, very small. You can score high mark in the audit portion. That will help you in company accounts portion also to pass that subject. As we all know, it's a 50 mark part. That is, audit is for 50 mark and company accounts is for 50 mark. From audit, out of 50, if you get 30, 35 or 40 marks, then you can easily get exemption by scoring 20 mark out of 50 from the company accounts portion. Or let's say you will easily score 50 mark from these two portions, part A company accounts and part B audit. For that you have to ensure you will get 35 or 40 mark out of 50 in the audit portion. As I earlier said, it's a very small area, very simple area. I analyzed the past year question papers of the CMA Institute, which type of questions are asked, what areas are focusing, and I analyzed the RTPs, workbook, question patterns. So I prepared a detailed summary of that. From this, you can easily focus which areas you have to study. So my part, I'm done my part by analyzing the question paper. You have to do just focus these areas and study according to this. You will get 40 out of 50. That is 40 mark, 80% of mark you will get from the audit portion. This will help in that subject, paper 12. One more request from my side. A lot of students are referring CA course material for audit and CS course material, or especially saying CA course audit colorful notes or handwritten notes. They are focusing that. From my opinion, that audit portion is entirely different in CMA course and CA course. The topics are similar. The topics, the term audit is similar, but the presentation, the questions asked, the type of questions asked is very different. So if you succeed, if you want to succeed, if you want good marks in CMA intermediate audit, you have to focus on your own study material, your own previous year question paper, your own RTPs, etc. So focus these areas from your study material, from your workbook, from your question papers. And I pointed out each and every important areas, part A and part B. From part A, you will get 30 marks. Out of 50, you will get 30. From that 30, out of that 30, 15 mark questions will come from company audit. That is section number 138 to 148. After covering part A is very, very important. After covering part A, you can cover part B also. Part B is very small areas. 10 mark questions will come from this. By this, you can get 30 plus 10, 40 out of 50. I will say minimum 35 to 40 mark you will get from this. So study according to this. All the very best. And thank you. Please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends also. Thank you.